this is Monique. So I decided to make a couple of new YouTube videos that are a little bit different than my usual sneakerhead videos, just to kind of update you guys on like how things are going with photography and my life in general. And so yeah, in these next maybe 10 videos, I'm gonna kind of pivot a little bit. I'm gonna talk about what my everyday life is like and just being positive in general, and kind of like the morning and evening routines that I do just to like stay positive and continue in my radio life. I find that a lot of people are really interested on my Instagram page of what I'm doing in the radio station, which is really surprising to me. I thought that they were more interested in my sneakerhead journey. People still message about that, and I still take pictures about that. Like today I went and I met a person who is going to recolor my shoes that did the first pair of my shoes months and months ago, and those looked really cool. So, but yeah, we're coming up to like a really intense event, which is like a rodeo stampede event, so we're all preparing for that. So I'll cut to a couple of pictures of those sorts of things at the radio station, and yeah, later on I will talk about what we do, or what I do in the morning to prepare, and what I do in the evening to prepare for the next day. But yeah, I wanted to give you a heads up that that is what I'm going to be doing now on my channel, and not so much sneakerhead stuff. I'll still do that. That's really fun to do once a month to get new sneakers and stuff, but I'll also talk about some of the really cool stuff that we do every day in my job, and just kind of, separating the job from my life at home when I get home, and just kind of like zeroing in on getting good sleep and being healthy. Okay, so I hope that you continue to follow this channel and you like what I post. And like I said, these videos are going to be every other day. That's what I do for my schedule. And yeah, so you can follow me on Instagram as well, where I post pictures every single day. Thanks. Bye.